Hello everyone. In this lecture we will learn process of verifying and correcting motor rotation quadcopter using mission planner. Connect quadcopter to mission planner. Ensure that your quadcopter is power on. Connect your quadcopter to mission planner through USB data cable. Connect to your quadcopter through COM port.
GCS failsafe cleared. GCS failsafe cleared.
In mission planner, go to initial setup tab. Under mandatory hardware, select motors, motor test and verification. You should see a diagram representing your quadcopter and corresponding motor letters. When you test each motor, observe the direction in which they spin, the default and correction rotation of flight controller 1, 2, 3, 4, motor A, motor B and motor C. And if you find that a motor is spinning in the wrong direction, you can correct it by swapping any 2 of 3 wires between the ESC electronic speed controller. For example, if motor B is spinning wrong direction, you can swap any 2 of 3 wires connecting the ESC to motor. If the motor spinning is wrong, you can easily swap any 2 of 3 wires connecting the ESC to motor. For example, if motor is spinning clockwise and it should be counterclockwise, swap any 2 of 3 wires connecting the ESC to motor. You can see, swap any 2 wires and the motor rotation is changed. And verify all the motors rotation like this. If any motor rotation is reverse, so you can simply swap any 2 of 3 wires and the motor rotation is changed. And I hope you will learn, you will understand